Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paint by numbers. First, let's get organized. You'll need your canvas, the set of acrylic paints, and the brushes provided. Find a comfortable, well-lit area to work. Keep a small cup of water nearby for cleaning your brushes and some paper towels for drying them. Make sure your canvas is flat and ready for your artistic journey. Now, let's dive into the painting process. Each small pot of paint has a number, and you'll find matching numbers on your canvas. Simply dip your brush into the correct color and carefully fill in the corresponding area. Use small, steady strokes to stay within the lines. Remember to rinse your brush completely and dry it with a paper towel every time you change to a new color to keep your shades pure. To achieve a fantastic result, here are a few professional tips. It's often best to start with the lighter colors first, then move to the darker ones. This helps with coverage. Try to work from the top of your canvas down, or from left to right if you are right-handed, to avoid accidentally smudging your wet paint. Also, give each section about 20 minutes to dry before painting right next to it. Congratulations, you're almost done. Take a moment to look over your entire painting. Are there any small areas you missed, or spots that could use a second, thin coat of paint? Once it's completely dry, you might want to apply a clear sealant or varnish to protect your artwork for years to come. Now, find the perfect spot to display your stunning creation, or perhaps share your artistic talent by gifting it to someone special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.